How to turn on or off short video optimization on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to settings. Here in settings, okay, scroll down and go to battery lab. Okay, tap the battery lab. Here in battery lab, you can see here the battery saving settings. Okay, you can tap this. In battery saving settings, okay, you can see the short video optimization. And the short video optimization is off. So if you want to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, short video optimization add long battery. So okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off short video optimization on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.